Welcome back to Rhea's Kitchen. Today we are making something easy but very delicious. We are gonna make egg salad sandwich. Boil some eggs. Once you're done boiling the eggs, you can take out the shell. Take your egg slicer. Put the egg. Slice. Take your egg carefully. Put it back in the slicer, going the other way, and then slice it again. That's my trick. And then you can add it to the rest of your eggs. Now take a red onion, cut it into small pieces, and then add it to your egg. So now it's time to mix our other ingredients. Add about 3 tablespoons of mayo, a squirt of Dijon mustard, about 2 teaspoons of pickle relish, and this is totally optional, just a pinch of MSG. Let's mix them all together. And we're all done. Last but not the least, it's tikima time. Here's our bread. Take a slab of our spread and then spread it evenly. And then cut this in half. Sana matry nyo din siya at home very soon. Thanks for watching! See you again next time! Bye!